You ask, I listen. So here I am doing my first video on digital marketing. Before going into strategies, I think it's beneficial to talk about some concepts. And these concepts are going to be our best friends. Our first best friend is value. One of the main focal points in digital marketing is value. What is value? I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about what people like you and me think of as valuable. Let me make an example. Look at this lipstick. Do you know why I bought this lipstick? I'll tell you. Well, because the packaging has a luxurious feeling, because it was used by Charlize Theron in a famous movie. It's matte, it's trendy, I like the color. So you may have bought it for the same reasons, or maybe because you know that it's made from high quality ingredients and that it smells so nicely and it reminds you of candies. More or less important, these are things that we may value. As creators, we need to think about what we produce and if we are creating value for who is following us. Or for someone who's new to our feed and is scrolling our feed trying to understand if their idea of value actually matches what we are producing. So, now that you know what value is, are you producing value?